So to moisturize my face, I'm using this VLCC Lavang moisturizer. If you want, you can apply sunscreen. After that, for primer, I'm using this Sfr Primer. I'm going to apply it nicely. Then for foundation, here I'm using this Lakme foundation and applying it with the help of this brush. So blend it nicely. Then for concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, forming a triangle underneath my eye, and going to blend this with the help of this sponge. So blend everything nicely. Little bit I'm going to apply near my mouth area as well. To apply a little bit on my eyelid and my eyebrows to give a clean arch look, and going to blend it nicely with the help of this sponge. Then to bake my face, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. After that, I'm going to use this Nybae Compact and applying it all over my neck here, and after that going to dust off everything. So here I'm going to show you my full face makeup, how people used to do in 90s and in 2019, what we carry nowadays. So 90s makeup is all about carrying a very dark eye makeup look and a dark lip color, and in 2019 it's a makeup all about a glowy makeup look. So here I'm going to show you this both makeup look, and I hope you will like this video. So here I'm picking up this shimmer shade for 2019 to give my eyes a glowy look, a shiny eye makeup. So I'm using this Huda Beauty palette for 2019, and for 90s I'm using this Sivanna Colors Pro palette. And in 2019 I'm going to apply a lots of highlighter on my face, in the inner corners, on my brow bones. And for eyeliner, in 90s we usually apply a long wing eyeliner, thicker one, and in 2019 we don't have that much time, so we usually apply a kajal eyeliner and smudge it off to give that smudgy look. So in 2019, yes, we had that time as well, the mascara, and following the same thing in 2019. Usually 2019 it's all about falsies, but I'm not going to apply falsies. So here I'm using this white kajal to give my eyes a bigger and open eye look. So yes, after that I'm applying this mascara on the lower eyelash as well. Then I'm going to use this L'Oreal bronzer to give my face a sculpt look, because in 2019 obviously we love to give our face a sculpt look and make our nose slimmer. That's it. And after that, for blush I'm using this Sfr blush, and for 90s also I have applied little bit of contouring. That's it. I have applied bronzer and no highlighter, nothing, but I've applied the blush for 90s and 2019 both, because that time also we used that blusher. Then for lips, I am going to apply this Huda Beauty lipstick for 2019, which is in darker shade, and for 2019 I have applied the Shystyle lip color. So I will mention both the shades in the description box. And after that, for 2019 I have applied the NYX matte setting spray to make my makeup long lasting.